Brain, a book of mathematics. Primer.
Circle, button, wall clock, triangle, watermelon, pizza, square, cushion, photo frame, rectangle, chocolate, green board. Kids IQ. How many wall clocks are there in your house? Name a few objects that are in the shape of a long box. Name some food items that have the shape of a moon. Teacher's note. Introduce different primary shapes by showing and elucidating different objects. Solid shapes. Sphere, orange, football, cylinder, candle, water bottle, cone, toy, joker cap, cube, dice, gift. Kids IQ. How many types of balls have you played with? Name a few objects that look like a birthday cap. How many toys have you played with which have the shape of a cone? Teacher's note. Show different examples of solid shapes to make them understand. Recap. Match the following. Kids IQ. Draw different shapes that you have seen or played with. Draw circular sweets and name them. Name a few items in your house that are in the shape of a square. Teacher's note. Help students to explore more shapes by asking them to show examples of different shapes. Recap. Numbers 1 to 50. Let's revise the numbers 1 to 50. Write each of the numbers 1 to 50 in the given space. 2, 1, 5, 8, 10. 2, 12, 16, 19. 2, 21, 24, 28, 30, 2, 35, 36, 2, 41, 46, 48, 50. Kids IQ. Which number comes before 7? Which number comes after 24? Which number comes before 13? Teacher's note. Help students to understand the pattern of counting numbers and assist them to recognize the numbers by showing the play cards. The horse showing number 11. How many horses with the number 11 do you find? Kids IQ. Which one is your favorite color? What is the color of your favorite chocolate? What is the color of your favorite toy? Teacher's note. Help students to recognize numbers by showing them cartoons. Count, add, and write the number of chicks in the space given below. Kids IQ. How many eggs can you eat? Have you ever counted the number of toys you have? How many teeth do you have? Teacher's note. Assist the students to recognize the numbers using different objects. Count, and write. Count and write the number in the boxes. Kids IQ. How many friends do you have? Count the number of books you have. Count the numbers of the pair of shoes you have. Teacher's note. Teach students how to count using a finger counting pattern. Number practice. Count the objects and match with correct numbers. Write the numbers from Kids IQ. How many colored pencils do you have? Count the number of girls and boys in your class. How many flower pots do you have at home? Teacher's note. Help students to remember the numbers of items they do not use in school but elsewhere.
Let's help Leo in counting the total number of kites in the sky. Kids IQ. Try to count the numbers of birds you see in the sky at a time. 2. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 3. Have you ever tried to count stars? Teacher's note. Apprise the students about the importance of kite flying on the occasion of Independence Day. Height, tall or short? Observe the following. Tall boy, short boy, tall ladder, short ladder. Write T for tall and S for short. Take the tallest one and cross the shortest one. Kids IQ. 1. Who is the tallest student in the class? 2. Who is the shortest amongst your friends? 3. Who is the tallest person in your house? Teacher's note. Show objects of different shapes and sizes to the students. Small, medium and large. Small, medium, large. Compare the sizes. Write 1 under large, 2 under medium and 3 under small size objects. Kids IQ. 1. Give example of animals that are smaller than a dog. 2. Is your bag bigger than your books? 3. Which one is bigger, bird or flower? 4. Is a dot bigger than a circle? Teacher's note. Show different sizes of similar objects to help them compare. Left, right. Left, right. Giraffe, elephant. The giraffe is to the left of the tree and the elephant is to right of the tree. The school is on the left. The park is on the right. Kids IQ. 1. Which hand helps you to write? 2. On which hand do you wear your wristwatch? 3. Which hand helps you to eat? Teacher's note. Help student to make the difference between left and right hands with various examples. Inside and outside. Inside, outside. Write I for the objects that are inside and O for the objects that are outside. Kids IQ. 1. What is inside your bag? 2. What do you see outside your bag? 3. What objects do you see in your classroom? Teacher's note. Explain the difference between inside and outside with examples. The right hand, left hand song. This is my right hand tapping on my head. This is my left hand looking far ahead. Right hand, left hand making a crown. Right hand, left hand rolling back down. Color the right candle yellow. Color the left toffees red. Color the left kite green. Color the right apple red. Kids IQ. 1. Draw a box from your right as well as left hand. 2. Try to eat from both of your hands respectively. 3. Can you write from your left hand? Teacher's note. If help the students to understand the contrast between the both hands. Relation. Similar or different, observe the following. Similar, different. Different, similar. Write S for similar and D for different. Top or bottom. Boy is at the top. Girl is at the bottom. Bird is at the top. Rabbit is at the bottom. tick the objects at the top and cross the objects at the bottom. Kids IQ 1. How do you and your friends are alike? 2. Have you ever wondered about the differences between a cat and a dog? If yes, then write 2 of them. 3. Have you ever noticed the difference between the stars and the moon? Teachers note: display 2 similar and 1 different objects of same kind for better understanding. Recap: tall, short. Tick the taller, cross the shorter. More, less. Tick the more, cross the less. Same, different. Tick the same, cross the different. Kids IQ 1. Who is taller? You or your sibling? 2. Are all flowers the same? Teachers note: show concrete objects of different size for clear understanding. Backward counting 50 to 1. Help Teddy to down the steps to reach his house by filling in the missing numbers. Kids IQ 1. Can you count the reverse from 10 to 1? 2. What comes just before 7? 3. What comes just before 10? Teachers note: help students to practice counting in reverse with different activities. Recap: A. Write 10's place and 1's place. 1 has been done for you. 17 1 10s, 7 1s, 26 dash 10s dash 1s, 43 dash 10s dash 1s, 38 dash 10s dash 1s, 21 dash 10s dash 1. B. Write the numbers: 2 10s plus 3 1s, 4 10s plus 6 1s, 7 10s plus 2 1s, 8 10s plus 4 1s, 6 10s plus 2 1s, 9 10s plus 3 1s, 5 10s plus 5 1s, 3 10s plus 3 1s. Kids IQ 1. Which is bigger, 10 or 7? 2. Which is smaller, 8 or 4? 3. Which is bigger, 13 or 31? Teachers note: elucidate students about the concept of digit places, 1s and 10s. Look, there are 2 bars. The bar at first place denote 1's place and the bar at second place denote 10th place. 1 10s, 2 1s. 1 10s, 4 1s is equal to 14. 1 10s, 6 1s is equal to 16. 1 10s, 8 1s is equal to 18. 1 10s, 5 1s is equal to 15. Kids IQ 1. How many 10 students are there in your class? 2. How many 1's pencils are there in your bag? 3. How many 10's girls are there in the class? Teachers note: elucidate that the person who uses abacus is called abacist. Count and write the number names. Kids IQ 1. How many chapatis have you brought in your lunch? 2. How many friends came to your birthday party? 3. How many notebooks do you have? Teachers note: make a group and ask them to count the numbers of different objects that they see in the class. Number names. A. Count the pictures and write the number names. B. Count and match the following with correct number names. Kids IQ 1. Write the number name of the amount of chocolates you have. 2. Write the number name of the amount of books you have in your bag. 3. Write the number names of the amount of t-shirts you have. Teachers note: help students to write numbers in names by giving them an exercise. Greater than, lesser than, equal to. A. Look at the given illustrations carefully. Crocodile wants to eat more things. The symbol stands for greater than. The symbol stands for lesser than. The symbol stands for equals to. 4 is greater than 3. 1 is less than 4. 4 is equal to 4. Kids IQ 1. Which is greater than 5, 4 or 7? 2. Give a number lesser than 17. 3. Give a number lesser than 23. Teacher's note. Introduce students the concept of greater than, lesser than and equal to with their respective signs. Put greater than or smaller than in the boxes. Put the correct sign. Greater than, lesser than or equals to. Write T for true and F for false. Kids IQ. 1. Is 29 bigger than 28? 2. Is 36 bigger or less than 50? 3. Is 17 bigger than 16? Teacher's note. Help students to compare numbers with the comparative signs with examples. Recap. Put the correct sign. Greater than, smaller than or equals to. Circle the bigger number. Circle the smaller number. Kids IQ. 1. Is 49 lesser than 17? 2. Is 42 lesser than 25? 3. Is 32 bigger than 23? Teacher's note. Explain to students how to compare numbers with comparative signs with examples. Before, after, between. Mother, baby, father. Mother is before the baby. Father is after the baby. Baby is between mother and father. Numbers on left of a given number are before. Numbers on right of a given number are after. Numbers right of a small numbers and left of big number are between. Before, after, between. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20. Kids IQ. 1. Which number comes before 18? 2. Who sits between you and your friend in the class? 3. Which number comes after 19? Teacher's note. Introduce the concept of before, after and between with the examples. Number names. A. Write the number name from 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B. Count the pictures and write number names. Kids IQ. 1. Write the number name of 17. 2. What is the number name of 50? 3. What is the number name of 67? Teacher's note. Help students to count, recognize, remember and write the number names with illustrations. After, before, between. After, 22, 23, 37, 38, 12, 13, 42, 43, 32, 33, 47, 48, 38, 39, 40, 41, 31, 32, 27, 28, 17, 18. Before, 32, 33, 26, 27, 8, 9, 11, 12, 21, 22, 17, 18, 40, 41, 48, 49, 49, 50, 15, 16, 27, 28, between, 14, 15, 16, 41, 42, 43, 51, 52, 53, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 48, 49, 50, 25, 26, 27, 15, 16, 17, 30, 31, 32, 22, 23, 24. Kids IQ. 1. What comes after 29? 2. What comes between 10 and 12? 3. What comes before 11? Teacher's note. Show concrete objects to explain after, before and between. Recap. What comes after? 24, 25, 32, 33, 21, 22, 15, 16, 49, 50, 25, 26, 18, 19, 11, 12, 39, 40. What comes before? 38, 39, 44, 45, 32, 33, 49, 50, 35, 36, 20, 21, 53, 54, 28, 29, 18, 19. What comes in between the numbers? 29, 30, 31, 25, 26, 27, 48, 49, 50, 45, 46, 47, 38, 39, 40, 12, 13, 14, 37, 38, 39, 46, 47, 48, 21, 22, 23. Kids IQ. 1. What comes after your birth date? 2. What comes before your birth date? 3. What comes before your best friend's birthday? Teachers note: ask students to tell you about their favorite number and why do they like it. Draw the correct numbers of given shapes as mentioned below each figure. Kids IQ. 1. Draw your favorite shape and tell your teacher why you like it. 2. How many squares are needed to make a box? 3. Do you need circles to make a cylinder? Teachers note: assist students to recognize the correct number of different shapes used to make an object. Number names: 11 to 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kids IQ. 1. Write the number names of 5. 2. Write the number name of your favorite number. 3. Write the number name of 33. Teachers note: help student to use the correct names of the numbers. Skip counting. Counting in twos. Counting in twos is just like taking 2 hops. Counting in twos by writing the numbers in the boxes. 2, 4, 6, 22, 42, 62, 82. Counting in threes. Counting in threes is just like taking 3 hops. Kids IQ. 1. Have you ever forgotten your best friend's birthday? 2. What comes after 3 if we forget the next number? 3. What comes just after 7 if we skip 2 digits? Teachers note: explain the students how to skip or jump to the numbers without counting with the help of different examples. Counting shapes. How many? Kids IQ. 1. How many rectangles are used to make a mobile phone? 2. How many triangles are used to draw a star? 3. How many squares are needed to draw an ice cube? Teachers note: ask the students to connect different shapes to make a big object. Count in threes by writing the numbers in boxes. Counting in fives by writing the numbers in boxes. Kids IQ. 1. What comes after 2 if we skip 1 digit? 2. What comes before 13 if we skip 2 numbers? 3. What comes after 5 if we skip 1 digit? Teachers note: introduce the concept of tables with a fun of activity. Number names: 21 to 30, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Kids IQ. 1. What is the number name of 18? 2. What is the number name of 11? 3. What is the number name of 17? Teachers note: ask the students to write the number names in descending order. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order is like going up the stairs. Descending order is like coming down the stairs. Ascending means increasing. Descending means decreasing. Look the following numbers carefully: 6, 12, 31, 9, 22, 17. 6, 9, 12, 17, 22, 31. Ascending. Numbers are increasing. 31, 22, 17, 12, 9, 6. Descending. Numbers are decreasing. Kids IQ. 1. Is your height increasing? 2. Is your weight decreasing? Teachers note. Introduce the concept of ascending and descending order with suitable examples. Recap. A. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. B. Following numbers are in descending order, but some of the numbers are missing. Write the missing numbers. Descending order. 56, 25, 7, 35, 70, 15. 70, 56, 35, 25, 15, 7. 29, 3, 37, 49, 61, 50. 61, 50, 49, 37, 29, 3. 22, 35, 5, 12, 44, 59. 59, 44, 35, 22, 12, 5. Kids IQ. 1. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. 7, 9, 10, 8, 6. 3. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. 6, 1, 8, 3. Teachers note. Ask the students to solve more exercises so that they can explore numbers. Circle the matching number for each set. Kids IQ. 1. Have you ever counted the number of candles in a packet? 2. Have you tried to count your hairs? 3. Try to count the number of toys you have at home. Teachers note. Help students to count and recognize the small object. Number names. 31 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Kids IQ. 1. What is the number name of 23? 2. What is the number name of 22? 3. What is the number name of 37? Teachers note. Help students to learn the spellings of number through loud reading. Rhyme on addition. 1 and 1 is 2 and 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6. So now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8 and 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12. So now let's start again, and now we have reached the end. Addition. Manya has 3 pencils. Her madam gives her 2 more pencils. Now Manya has 5 pencils. We write this as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. We can speak 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The sign used for addition is plus. The sign used for equal is equals to. We write the answer after the sign equals to. Kids IQ. 1. If Seema has 2 chocolates and you gave her 1, now she has how many chocolates? 2. Ram has 2 oranges and he eats 1. Now he has how many oranges? 3. Priya has 12 bananas and she gives her sister 2 bananas. Now she has how many bananas? Teacher's note. Introduce the concept of addition with different daily life examples. Addition. Let's learn to count and add. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 1 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to. Kids IQ. 1. If you see a cat and a dog, how many animals do you see? 2. You have 5 friends and a new student comes to your class and becomes your friend, then how many friends will you have? 3. Dwayne has 7 pens and he loses 2 pens. Now he has how many pens? Teacher's note. Help students to add object visually with activity. Count and add. Let's learn to count and add. 2 plus 3, 1 plus 6, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 8 plus 1. Kids IQ. 1. 2 oranges and 5 oranges are combined to make how many oranges? 2. You have a pencil and buy another one, then how many pencils do you have? 3. How many flowers are in the basket which has 3 roses, 2 tulips and 5 marigolds? Teacher's note. Help student to add numbers through their fingers. Addition with 0. When 0 is added to any number or vice versa, we got the number itself. There are 4 pencils on the book. We find 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Plus, no pencil is there on the book is equal to 4 pencil will remain on the book. No mango is there in the basket. Plus, 3 mangoes are put in the basket is equal to there are 3 mangoes in the basket. We find 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Add and write. Kids IQ. 1. You have 2 chocolates and your sister asks for 1, but you do not give her. Then how many chocolates you are left with? 2. In the morning you ate 2 breads and in the evening you had 3. How many total breads did you eat? 3. Your friend Rahul and Aman bought 2 apples and 5 apples. How many total apples did they buy in total? Teacher's note. Explain what happens if any number is added to 0. Exercise. A. Add the following. 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 6 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 5 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 10 plus 0, 8 plus 0. B. Fill in the boxes with the correct number. 8 plus 0, 0 plus 3, 4 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 7 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 0 plus 6. Kids IQ. 1. Raj has a bike and his friend asked to buy it. But you do not give him your bike, then how many bikes Raj is left with? 2. Nana has 3 hairpins, but she loses 1. How many hairpins she is left with? Teacher's note. Help student to solve the sums using pencil and not by finger technique. Let's add. 9 plus 2, 7 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 6, 8 plus 9, 4 plus 3, 9 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 2 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 8. Kids IQ. 1. Monica has 8 chocolates and her sister gives her 2 more. Then how many chocolates Monica has now? 2. What happens if we add 0 plus 5? 3. What happens if we add 0 to 10? Teacher's note. Help student to play with the numbers using addition in the notebook. Let's do more practice. Add the following. 32 plus 34, 51 plus 27, 95 plus 10, 44 plus 44, 63 plus 21, 84 plus 23, 55 plus 24, 74 plus 35, 23 plus 54, 46 plus 33, 19 plus 90, 43 plus 43. Kids IQ. 1. Payal has 7 pens. She buys 3 more pens. Then how many pens she has now? 2. If we add 9 to 7, the number becomes dash. 3. If we add 5 to 8, the number becomes dash. Teacher's note. Introduce students with the concept of borrowing the digit in bigger numbers. Number names. 41 to 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Kids IQ. 1. What is the number name of 33? 2. What is the number name of 27? 3. What is the number name of 38? Teacher's note. Help student to continue playing with the bigger numbers. Ordinal numbers. First, second, third are called ordinal numbers. First, Rahul. Second, Riya. Third, Sonu. Fourth, Priya. Fifth, Ritu. Sixth, Romu. Seventh, Payal. Eighth, Rohit. Ninth, Khushi. 10th, Monu. Oral questions. 1. Who is on the first stair? 2. Monu is on which stair? 3. Who is on the 6th number? 4. Rahul is on which number? 5. Who is on 4th number? Kids IQ. 1. Who comes first in your class in the examination? 2. Who is sitting on the first chair? 3. Who stands at the last position in the assembly line? Teacher's note. Introduce the concept of ordinal numbers to the student with the help of instances. Recap. A. Match the ordinal number on the left to the word on the right. Kids IQ. 1. Who is the first child of your parents? 2. In which grade you are? 3. In which grade is your brother's sister? B. Observe the kites and fill in the blanks. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. The dash and dash kites are pink. The dash and dash kites are green. The dash and dash kites are yellow. The dash and dash kites are blue. The dash and dash kites are red. Teacher's note. Explain how to write the ordinal numbers to students. Rhyme on subtraction. Let's do subtraction through a rhyme. 5 little birds climbing on a door. One flew away and then there was 4. 4 little birds sitting on a tree. One flew away and then there were 3. 3 little birds landing on a shoe. One flew away and then there were 2. 2 little birds sitting on a bun. One flew away and then there were 1. Subtraction. There are 5 mangoes in the basket. Amya took away 2 mangoes. Now 3 mangoes are left in the basket. We saw that there were 5 mangoes in the basket. Amya took away 2 mangoes. Only 3 mangoes are left in the basket. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We read it as 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Kids IQ. 1. Paras has 2 pens. He gives 1 pen to his friend. Then how many pens he has now? 2. There were 5 bananas and you ate 2 of them. Then how many bananas are left? 3. Rani has 5 cards and she gives 4 to her friend Neetu. Now she has how many cards? Teacher's note. Introduce the concept of subtraction to the student using different examples. Count and subtract. Count and subtract. 1 has been done for you. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Kids IQ. 1. Payal has 7 pens. She buys 3 more pens. Then how many pens she has now? 2. If we add 9 to 7, the number becomes 3. If we add 5 to 8, the number becomes. Teacher's note. Explain students to subtract the numbers in pictorial form. Subtraction. Cross and write the numbers. 8 minus 3, 9 minus 6, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 3. Now, let us try subtracting mentally without drawing objects. 5 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 3 minus 2, 8 minus 5, 4 minus 1. Kids IQ. 1. Johnny has 7 cards. He gives 3 cards to Alex. Then how many cards he has now? 2. Mayur has 9 toys car. He loses 4 toy cars. Then how many toy cars he has now? Teacher's note. Help student to use the subtraction using finger technique. Subtraction with number 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to. Subtract 1 and write the numbers. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 10 minus 1. 6 minus 1. 12 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 20 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 18 minus 1. Kids IQ. 1. What happens if we subtract 5 from 7? 2. What comes after subtracting 11 from 15? 3. Mike has 7 balls. He loses 2 balls. Then how many balls he has now? Teacher's note. Help students to continue exploring subtraction with different 1-digit numbers. Subtract with 0. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Subtract 0 and write the number. 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 7 minus 0, 8 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 10 minus 0, 11 minus 0, 12 minus 0, 13 minus 0, 14 minus 0, 15 minus 0, 16 minus 0, 17 minus 0, 18 minus 0, 19 minus 0, 20 minus 0. Kids IQ 1. Rahul has 12 chocolates and his sister asks for 2 but he does not give her. How many chocolates he is left with? 2. Meena has 10 rupees. Her papa gives you 20 more. How much money do you have now? 3. Chintu had 50 rupees. He bought a chocolate for 30 rupees. How much money does he has now? Teacher's note. Explain what happens if any number is subtracted 2 from 0. Subtraction. Subtract and write. Kids IQ 1. What comes after subtracting 4 from 5? 2. What comes after subtracting 9 to 5? 3. What comes after subtracting 11 from 16? Teacher's note. Help student to practice subtraction sums on their notebook. Let's do more practice. Subtract and write. Kids IQ 1. What comes up after subtracting 17 from 30? 2. What comes after subtracting 25 from 50? 3. What comes after subtracting 16 from 21? Teacher's note. Help student to solve more problems based on subtraction using finger technique. Tables. Table of 2. Reading way. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Writing way. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. It's your turn. Table of 3. Reading way. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Writing way. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. It's your turn. Kids IQ 1. Do you know any other form of addition? 2. What happens if we add 2 thrice? 3. What happens if we add 2 5 times? Teacher's note. Introduce the concept of tables. Table of 4. Reading way. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Writing way. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. It's your turn. Table of 5. Reading ways. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Writing way. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. It's your turn. Kids IQ, what comes if we add 2 4 times? 2, what comes if we add 2 6 times? 3, what comes if we add 2 1 times? Teachers, note, introduce the concept of multiplication to the student. Multiplication concept. Consider 4 groups of 2 balloons each. How many balloons are there in all groups? So 2 balloons were taken 4 times is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. We can say that 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Multiplication is the repeated addition of equal numbers. Is the symbol of multiplication. How many strawberries are there all together? 4, 4, 4. 4 into 3 is equal to? How many cars are there all together? 2 into 4. Kids IQ 1. Do you know how to multiply 2 numbers? 2. What is the concept of multiplication? Multiplication word problems. Number stories. 4 students can sit on 1 bench. How many students can sit on 3 benches? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to? On 1 bench is equal to 4. On 3 bench multiply 3. Total students is equal to 12. In 1 taxi 5 persons can travel. How many persons can travel in 8 taxis? 5 plus 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 5 is equal to? In 1 taxi is equal to in 8 taxi into total persons. 8 children are sitting in each row. How many children are there in 7 rows? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. In 1 row is equal to in 7 row into total children. A truck has 6 wheels. How many wheels are there in 9 trucks? 6 plus 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 is equal to in 1 truck is equal to in 9 truck into total wheels is equal to. Kids IQ 1. Can you discuss any word problems with your friend? 2. How many trucks are there in 4th word problem? Teachers, note. Ask children to discuss the word problem in group of 2 and find the answer. Multiplication table of 2. Look at the given table. 0 means nothing. So 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 2. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 2. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 14. 7 times 2. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 plus 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 2 is equal to 16. 8 times 2. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 plus 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 2 is equal to 18. 9 times 2. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 plus 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 is equal to 20. 10 times 2 is equal to 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Kids IQ 1. If we add 2 for 6 times, what will we get? Teachers, note. Ask children random multiplication of table 2. Multiplication. Kids IQ 1. What comes if we add 3 times 4? 2. What comes if we multiply 5 with 4? Teachers, note. Explain children the concept of multiplication. Ask them question related to simple multiplication sum. Multiplication. Kids IQ 1. What comes if we add 4 times 3? 2. What comes if we add 4 times 2? 3. What comes if we add 4 times 6? Teachers, note. Explain the method of multiplying digit using finger technique and memorizing tables. division concepts. Division means distributing in equal number of parts. The symbol for division is divide. Divide 8 apples among 2 girls. If we give equal apples to each girl, the girl will have 4 apples each. Division can also be expressed as repeated subtraction. We write it as 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. We have to subtract 2 repeatedly from 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We say 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 8 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 parts. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Kids IQ. 1. What is the symbol of division? 2. What you will get if you will divide 8 by 2? Teacher's note. Explain division and subtraction concept in a playway method to the children. Division with remainder. Suppose that there are 20 chocolates. Now divide these chocolates among 5 children. How many chocolates would each child get? 5 divisor. 4 quotient. 20 dividend. 0 remainder. Quotient is equal to 4. Divisor is equal to 5. Dividend is equal to 20. Remainder is equal to 0. Hence, each child would get 4 chocolates and 0 is the remainder. Exercise. Kids IQ. 1. What is divider? 2. What is remainder? 3. What is quotient? Teacher's note. Make children understand terms like division, quotient, dividend and remainder. Give them exercise to learn. Division. Divide the following. Kids IQ. 1. What you will set if you divide 27 by 3? 2. What will be the answer if you divide 18 by 3? Teacher's note. Ask children about dividend question related to the sum. Division. Divide the following. Kids IQ. 1. What will be the answer if we divide 14 by 2? 2. What you will get if you divide 36 by 6? Teacher's note. Encourage children to quickly solve the sums and speak dividend to and remainder of each sums. Let's learn weekly rap. Sunday is a fun day. Next comes Monday. On Monday and Tuesday, I learn and play. Wednesday and Thursday, I do what the teachers say. On Friday, I wait for Saturday. And again on Sunday, I play and play. Now write the correct answer of the following questions. 1. How many days are there in a week? 2. Which is the 4th day of a week? 3. Which day comes in between Wednesday and Friday? 4. Which day comes before Saturday? 5. Which day comes after Monday? 6. Which is the 6th day of the week? 7. Which day comes after Thursday? 8. On which day you enjoy the most? 9. Which is the 5th day of the week? 10. Which is the last day of the week? Kids IQ. 1. Which is your favorite day of the week? 2. Do you know how many days are there in a week? 3. Which is the last day of the week? Teacher's note. Introduce the names of different days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let us revise the days of a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Match the following. Monday, 5th day of week. Tuesday, 2nd day of week. Wednesday, 1st day of week. Thursday, 3rd day of week. Friday, 7th day of week. Saturday, 6th day of week. Sunday, 4th day of week. Kids IQ. 1. Which is the first day of the week? 2. Which day comes after Tuesday? 3. Which day comes in the middle of the week? Teacher's note. Make students practice the different types of mathematical exercises based on weekdays. Let's learn month name. 12 month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Complete the spelling of month's name. Kids IQ. 1. In which month your birthday falls? 2. In which month your best friend's birthday comes? 3. Which is your favorite month? Teacher's note. Introduce students with the different month and motivate them to remember it. The month song. Let's sing loud and clear. The 12th month of a year: January, February, March, April, May and June, July, August, September, October, November. And the last month is December. They are so easy to remember. Let's sing and learn them together. Answer the following question. 1. Which month comes after July? 2. Which month comes before February? 3. Which is 6th month of the year? 4. Which month comes after September? 5. Which is the 9th month of the year? Kids IQ. 1. Write the first month. 2. Which is the last month? 3. How many months are there? Teacher's note. Help them to understand the sequence of different months of the year. Time. Hello, I am clock. I have two hands, one long and other short. My long hands tell about minutes. My short hand tells about hours. My face has numbers 1 to 12. Look at the time in these clocks. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Kids IQ. 1. At what time does your mom wake you up in the morning? 2. For how many hours do you play outside with your friends? 3. At what time do you reach home from school? Teacher's note. Introduce the clock to the students in a fun way. Recap. Draw the hands of the clock as the time given. Kids IQ. 1. Name the different hands of the clock. 2. Which is the biggest hand of the clock? 3. Which is the greatest number in a clock? Teacher's note. Explain the technique to check time in a clock. Money. Money is an important part of our lives. We use it to buy things. Indian currency comes in the form of coins and notes. The Indian money is known by the name of rupees. Coins. Rupee 1, Rupee 2, Rupee 5, Rupee 10. Notes. 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupee, 2000 rupee. Kids IQ. 1. How much money does your mom or dad give you before going to school? 2. How much money does it take to buy your favorite chocolate? 3. How much money does it take to buy your favorite toy? Teacher's note. Elucidate the importance and value of money in our life. Recap. Match the same Indian currency notes. Kids IQ. 1. Do you remember the color of 10 rupee note? 2. Which is your favorite coin? 3. Collect coins of each denomination. Teacher's note. Help them to recognize the different notes and coins of the Indian currency. Add the following coins. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 5 rupee plus 2 rupee is equal to 9 rupee. 2 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 5 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to 10 rupee. 5 rupee plus 5 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to 13 rupee. Add the following notes. 1 rupee plus 5 rupee plus 2 rupee is equal to 8 rupee. 10 rupee plus 50 rupee plus 20 rupee is equal to 80 rupee. 50 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 5 rupee is equal to 57 rupee. 5 rupee plus 10 rupee plus 50 rupee is equal to 65 rupee. Kids IQ. 1. You have 50 rupee. Your papa gives you 20 more. How much money do you have now? 2. They have 60 rupees. Their sister gives them 30 more. How much money do they have now? 3. You have 53 rupees. Your mom gives you 27 more. How much money do you have now? Teacher's note. Help them to add the money as they added the numbers previously. Counting. Write the numbers from 51 to 100. Kids IQ. 1. Do you know what comes after 77? 2. Which one is the larger digit, 58 or 85? 3. Which one is the larger digit, 36 or 74? Teacher's note. Help them to explore and play with much larger number and motivate them to remember the counting system. Numbers 1 to 100. Circle the following numbers in the counting given below in the boxes. 23, 45, 49, 21, 14, 58, 80, 44, 99, 18, 9, 56, 28, 76, 90, 62, 74, 93. Kids IQ 1. Give 3 numbers which come after 70. 2. Give 2 numbers which come before 95. 3. Give 3 numbers which come after 25. Teacher's note. Help student to recognize the number ranking from 1 to 100 easily. Write the numbers in order from least to greatest. Kids IQ 1. Which one is the greatest number? 45, 63, 25, 87. 2. Which is the smallest number among 48, 87, 61, 32? 3. Which one is the greatest number? 56, 78, 32, 96. Teacher's note. Motivate student to compare bigger numbers.